Bitcoin is absolutely dumping. It's lost its $60,000 mark. Should you sell all your Bitcoin now? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host, Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at Bitcoin, a deep dive, technical reports, price analysis, and all of that. As we're seeing Bitcoin prices dump, is this the end of Bitcoin, the end of the bull run, the end of the meme coin mania? Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And also, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with Bitcoin. As you can see, the overall crypto market is down 2.4% on the day, and we're seeing red across the board. Bitcoin down 10% on the week. We're seeing ETH down 5% on the week. Dogecoin down 14% on the week. We're basically seeing red all across the board. In terms of the fear and greed index, this is pretty much an all-time low since the beginning of this bull market. We are seeing, I guess we're entering just neutral, which again, it might sound good, but in reality, we're basically entering fear. Because if we're dancing around extreme greed for so much time now, again, let's just go in the past month, right? If we're dancing around with extreme greed and greed for all this time now, and we're entering neutral, that basically means there's a lot of selling pressure going on, and we are low-key entering into fear, which is normal because people thought post-halving we're going to see some crazy price with Bitcoin pumping to $100,000, which at one point it will. But unfortunately, that hasn't been the case just yet, and it's been causing a lot of panic selling. And I don't think Bitcoin is over just yet. Again, people are analyzing it, people are looking into it. I know the miners are suffering as well. There's a lot of political issues going on, but this may be an opportunity to load up. So someone who supposes any 20 to 23% correction on Bitcoin bull market is a gift. We can see when you look at it that way, yeah, it could be a gift in the sense that you're buying in low, but also when it spikes higher than its previous high, like if we take this example over here, if someone bought in over here, not only did they make up that 21%, but obviously they made all this extra gains. So the same thing could be said here. Now, unfortunately, for the investors that are not so savvy, this is a big signal to start dumping, right? And then for the investors that are savvy, they're going to buy in the dip. So again, just be careful and be cautious. Now, do you want to learn more about cryptocurrency and make money at the same time? This is a meme coin or a utility coin that is exactly doing that. This is a 99 Bitcoins learn to earn coin. So 99 Bitcoins pre-sale is live, and in 5 days and 10 hours, the prices will be raised. They've raised almost $1 million in the span of a couple weeks now. This is very cool. So if you want to buy a token, it's going to help you earn some money. This is it. So 99 Bitcoin token is the future of learn to earn. Launching a new learn to earn token, 99 Bitcoin is designed to reward individuals to learn about cryptocurrency. The classic 99B platform is integrated with BRC20 to pioneer the learn to earn model on the Bitcoin blockchain. With a massive community, massive subscriber list, and lots of hours of course content, this is a great way to learn about cryptocurrency and also earn a bag. Talking about earning a bag, they are doing a massive giveaway of $100,000. So join our 99K Bitcoin airdrop. We're airdropping $100,000 worth of Bitcoin to 99 community members who join the learn to earn revolution early. These are all the ways you can enter. I'm gonna link this down in the description below. Now back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trending, so that's pretty cool as well. So even though it's dumping right now, when we go to the trending tab on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's trending at number 3. This is a spot usually reserved for meme coins, but just goes to show how much interest and influx is around Bitcoin right now, that so many people are just want to constantly be coming in and checking and taking a look at how Bitcoin is doing. In terms of technicals, guys, we can see for the day, we are at, the moving averages are at strong sell, as also at sell, and the overall summaries at sell, as a lot of people are selling Bitcoin. But again, I think this is an opportunity to load up the bag. Obviously not as financial advice, but that's just a signal of definitely fear in the marketplace, right? Even when we're looking at news, we can see Bitcoin falls, technical signals flash red, with crypto could have a rough week. Bitcoin trades around 57K. Crypto market dropped 6% in the run up to the Fed decision. 300 billion, perfect storm. Bitcoin price crashed under 600,000. So again, there's a lot of crazy news going around with the ETFs and news, but there's just a couple of ones I really want to highlight. So the Bitcoin trades around 57K. Crypto market dropped 6% in the run up to the federal decision. So BTC down is 6.3% the past 24 hours, having dropped below the 60K support level late Tuesday. The closer the spot price of Bitcoin is the average entry price, the greater likelihood of further ETFs unwinding, 10x CEO Marcus Thavius wrote on Wednesday. There might have been a lot of TradeFi tourists in crypto pushing long until the halving. This time is now over, he wrote. We expect more unwinding as as an average Bitcoin ETF buyer will be underwater when Bitcoin trades below $57,000. This will likely lower the price of our target levels caused by a minus 25% to 29% correction from the $73,000 top. Hence our price target of $52,000 to $55,000 during the last 3 weeks. So again, people, I mean, there's obviously going to be bears, you know, dogging against the market. And then we also have bulls, right? Kathy Wood, this is also from today. Kathy Wood raises her Bitcoin prediction by $2.3 million. What $1,000 investment could be worth in 2030. So she's basically predicting to see a $3.8 million Bitcoin by 2030. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about that. Also, there's a bunch of noteworthy coin to post. I've been posting on my account, like the Kathy Wood one as well. And also this one as well. The Hong Kong opens its ETF business and it causes a slight pump just a couple of days back. A breaking news, Australia to approve spot Bitcoin ETFs before the end of 2024. So there's a lot of bullish news about Bitcoin as well. But again, there's still that bearish sentiment as well. Again, the main thing is you got to trade with caution and trade with a plan. None of this financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence. But let me know how you guys feel about Bitcoin in the comment section below. Also, if you want to load up a bag on 99 Bitcoins, a pre-sale gem that has crazy upside potential, I'm going to link that in the description as well. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.